Hey everyone, it is Dr. Pullen here from Superior Chiropractic and Rehab in Glen Carbon, Illinois. Now, a lot of people have been coming up to me and asking me, how can I help protect my back from getting hurt whenever I'm bending over to do gardening or to lift weights, anything like that? The biggest thing you really want to avoid is that whenever you're lifting something heavier or you're constantly picking up something, you don't want to have your spine go flat down like this. Reason why is because whenever we come up, it changes a lot of pressure inside of our back, and it forces a lot of the substance in our discs to go back and forth, and that can cause a lot of pain and irritation, called a disc bulge. Now, the reason why we want us to move properly is because the muscles in our spine aren't designed to pick up heavy objects, but our hips and our legs, they are. So, whenever you're trying to bend over to pick up something, and you come up like this, you might feel a lot of pain in that low back ears instantly, or you might feel it slowly and progressively get worse and worse throughout the day. A good strategy to use is called hip hinging. Hip hinging is whenever we use our hips to move our bodies instead of our spine. A great example of that, if you take a PVC pipe, or maybe even some form of a broomstick up against your back, and make sure it's up against the back part of your skull, in between your shoulder blades, and in between the small of your low back. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to focus on going down as far as you can and coming up as far as you can. Same thing, going down as far as you can, keeping all 3 points up against the platform, back up and down. Nice and easy. And then you're going to practice picking up a weight that's right by you. Having the weight that's nice and close to you, and going down with your hips, keeping that spine nice and neutral. Bring it up as far as you can, and then walking around doing whatever you're going to do. And then when you pick the weight down, same thing. You're just going to go in the reverse section and come right back up. Those are some really easy tips that you can do at home to make sure that you stay active, strong, and healthy without having to get prescription drugs or surgery for that low back of yours. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am here to help you stay active, strong, and healthy without drugs, injections, or surgery. Give me a call if you have any questions or concerns, or if you wanted to schedule a discovery visit. It gives you a chance to come in, see the clinic, get to know me, and see how I can help you. This is Dr. Pullen. Have a great day.